How to delete photos from Google Drive. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete photos from your Google Drive. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up any web browser. After that, you can head over to Drive by going to drive.google.com. Then locate the folder where you have your photos. Just find the photo, and after you're on that folder you can tap on it, and after you do that you will see your photos. Now there are different ways you can delete the photos. First is by tapping on the three dots on the top right corner of your photo. Then you will see an option that says move to trash. If you tap on it, your photo will get deleted. It will get stored in trash, but there is also another move to trash button right above there, which you can press to delete. Now, if you want to select multiple photos and delete it all together, just select all of those and tap on that move to trash option and it will get deleted. Now, you can head over to your trash on the left sidebar and now delete the photos from there completely. Again, select all the photos that you want to delete and then tap on the delete icon that says delete forever. Confirm, and that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.